The purpose of this video is to go through the 35 charts that I have tagged in my core list. And I've tagged them because I find them of special interest. Because there's so many, I'm going to spend just a few moments on each one. And just, anything your eyeballs are attracted to, just check them out on your own. But let's just bang through these in alphabetical order. Apple, kind of on the high side of its range there. AON, interesting topping pattern. Really lovely little topping pattern, to be honest. Apache, very interesting energy short, especially if it breaks 28.79. Bank of Nova Scotia broke this trend line eons ago and has broken this trend line as well. Avis Budget Group, CAR, overhead supply here, doing a very good job of repelling that price ascent. If you hear snoring, that's my biggest dog. Cracker Barrel, CBRL, you can just see it just like lunge, just lunge and plunge. Really fascinating diminishment there. It's incredible. This is worth like 70% less than it was 3 years ago. Cleveland Cliffs, you can see the top information there. Costco, an amazing permarizer, just an app. It must be an incredibly well-run company, because this thing, it's just a big box retailer. It's got a PE of 53 for industrial-sized vats of mayonnaise. But what can you say? Let's drop an auto trend line on this, because this is just a ball-breaking chart here. Look at that. Is that amazing? And those are almost exactly parallel lines, I noticed too. Fascinating stuff. Got half a mind to draw a channel on that. Maybe I'll do that later. Crane, way past resistance here. This is the red line. It's super elevated. Eversource, tremendous top on this one. Fiven, no, that's F-I-V-N, 5-9. This is the top that's in progress there. It breaks below that magenta zone, the hard fall ahead, I would say. Green Plains, there's the top on that one, breaking down nicely. Very nice. Gutless, this GTLS Chart Industries. I don't know why they call it that, but beautiful top on that one as well. Really terrific stuff. You can see why I've tagged these, I hope. Hyatt, cute little top. Just hanging out there around 150. Hess, this is Hess Corporation. Seems to be, you can see the kind of arc of this slowly working its way lower. Main support's way down here at 112. Harley Davidson, Hog. There's the top working on that one. Huntsman, top working on this one as well. Not quite done, just kind of holding steady. Illumina, top complete on that one long ago. Here's IMAX, which weirdly is clinging like crazy to around 17.64. Insight, beautiful right triangle setup here, hanging right below that blue baseline. Jack in the box. Now you're cooking, Jack. There's the head and shoulders on that one. Eli Lilly, another permarizer. What's the PE on this now? 118.9. Good God. But this is all for all the fatties out there. They take shots so they don't eat anymore or something. So that's just absolutely insane. I mean, let's look at this just for the hell of it, linear. Look at that. Is that nuts? I think so. Let's send that out to our readers, shall we? Just for the heck of it. What else? Let's go back to a normal scale on that. Morgan Stanley, range bound, way at the top of its range. Financial crisis should have bankrupted this place. The stock went down to what? $4.80. It's approaching 100 now. Unfriggin' believable. MSCI, nice top and a trend line failure on that one. MSCI Inc., very, very good looking. Netflix, lifetime high, the stock that refuses to go down. I don't know if it's a lifetime high. Actually, no. The lifetime high was back here in 2021, but we're in that same zone now. NVIDIA, of course, so sick of the stock, but another lifetime high on this, closing at its peak, over $2.5 trillion now, and I read that this one stock is more valuable than the entire German stock market. PotlatchDeltic, big old diamond pattern there working. Regions Financial, RF, slowly breaking down past that busted trend line. Starbucks, beautiful top on this. If it got toward that gap again, this would be like just an amazing short. Shopify, well broken, below its broken trend line too, and just kind of eroding away. Semtech, really cool chart. This was the base here, and a failure, zipped right back up. I think this thing is basically doomed, but it could take a good long time. Snap, this one went blasting higher here, and it's slowly eroding its way back toward, I think, ultimately closing this price gap. Tesla has found stability recently above this trio of Fibonacci's, so it looks like a pretty solid hold here at around 175. UPS, which happens to have the symbol UPS, working its way toward completing its own gargantuan top, which has been formed for the past 4 years. And finally, Excel, another diamond top on that one.